Well, I am very, very happy to see the high level of cleanliness. I am delighted at the quality of the train that I just saw go by. The train was clean and neat. The pantry was very well maintained. All the restaurants that I saw today were quite clean, hygienic. The paintings of Mario were also looking very, very nice. And I'm proud that this station, which was designed by Charles Correa, the very eminent and renowned architect, was also a very dear personal friend and my neighbor in Mumbai, is still maintained so beautifully. Gives me a lot of satisfaction, and this truly reflects the friendly nature of the people of Goa, that they keep their national assets in such good condition. My compliments to all the railway employees, all the employees of Konkani Rail Corporation, and to all the people of Goa for maintaining this railway station in such good condition.
Does the security threat posed to the visitors and the
I will have the RPF examine if at all you feel there is any such thing. But the people of Goa, such lovely people, such peace-loving people, I don't think there can be a security threat easily in Goa. But we'll discuss with the state government, and RPF will take all necessary precautions.